Talos! Whoa! Talos! Hey, darling! Hey, baby! Hey! Who's the cutest? Who's the cutest? No, you're so wrinkly. Look at those wrinkles in the cute face. Aww. And then you have Talos. He's asleep right now. Nothing can wake him up anymore. He's so tired. It is 10 p.m. I think, and we've been driving almost 3 hours since we got him, and today we've been driving since early morning. So we're all really tired, but Talos is knackered. He's so cute there. He's making a lot of sounds when he's sleeping. Look at him. You look like a dugong. So tired after Venice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy's voice. To you, Talos, my love. Happy birthday to you. Jag älskar dig, darling. Varsågod. Mommy, put your favorite treats on there. Yes, is it good? Yeah. Happy birthday, my love. Happy birthday, baby. Baby's 1 year old. 1 year old, I guess you don't say 1 year old when you're only 1 year. Right? But you're always gonna be mommy's pop-pop. Of course, my love. Of course. Enjoy. Enjoy. So this is one of Talos's birthday presents. It's some dog smart hide and seek treat thingy, and what I love is here it says, wait, skill level easy. And I'm happy about that because Talos is not really into those types of things. He likes finding things and being activated, so I think he will like it, but we'll see. I like that it's quite heavy. It feels slightly heavy. And he's bugging me now because he wants me to throw that toy. You want me to throw your toy? You want me to throw your toy? Okay. Go get it! Bye! While mommy figures this one out, someone came back with the toy straight away. Should I throw it again for you, baby? He's like nudging it against my thigh. Okay, I understand. You want it? You want it, baby? Okay. Yay! Alright, so I'm going to try and figure this one out here. There you have it. And I guess the principle is that you can take one of these and then have some treats under there. And someone is not happy because I'm not throwing his toy. Do you want me to throw your toy? Shall I throw your toy? Okay. Yay! Go get it! Yes, so there you have it. We'll see if he likes it or not. I had to use like 2 full bags of treats before to see how he actually managed it. Come on, baby. Talos, try. Try. What's in here? What's in there? Varsågod. Yeah, move it around. Come on. Here, varsågod. Varsågod. Are you not interested? Is it a big fail? Okay, it's a fail. Are you gonna play with your toy or your polar bear? Yeah, all up in my business. Hello. Currently outside with John's amazing hair shining in the sun. Woo! I have to slow-mo that. And this is Talos' second toy. The first toy didn't have much success, but he was super hype about this all the way, and he hasn't tried it yet. So Talos, do you want it? He's been super interested. Do you want your second toy? Let's go fetch it then. Talos, fetch! Whee! Success! In the bushes, he's probably gonna get some ticks again. Talos, fetch! Give it to mommy, baby. Talos! Talos! And now is the moment he gets lazy. When it's a bit further, he gets... Talos! Fetch! Are you waiting for Daddy again to fetch it for you? That usually happens, that John always ends up having to fetch the stuff. Whoa! Come on, Guy. Get it, baby. Yay! Give it to mommy. Or give it to Daddy. Anyone. Yay! Thank you. Where is it? Okay, give it to Daddy then.
Okay. Talos, give it to Daddy. So,
Yay! Let Daddy throw it. Whee! Talos! Thank you. Ooh, there's something stuck on it. You want it? Wow, where is it gonna go? Where is it gonna go? Okay, French! Okay, give it to mommy, baby. Oh, he prefers Daddy. Give it to Daddy then. Happy birthday, Talos! Happy birthday, baby! Oh, Daddy, what throw was that? He's gonna get all the ticks possible. Are you serious? Oh. So the third present is this thing called Aktiveringsmatta, which is an activating carpet, I guess, where you put some treats in there, and then he is supposed to dig for them. So, Talos, varsågod! And I think it's a success! Yay! I mean, Talos really loves digging into things and trying to find things. Not that he's actually successful at it, but yay! You found it! So is it a success? Gigi? Gigi, is it a success? Yes, I see it. Yay! Are you happy, my boy? Yeah? Is it fun? Look at that fat nose. Oh, he's so happy.